to my channel. For today, I will be doing a makeup tutorial of Shinobu Kocho, which is from Demon Slayer. To know who's Shinobu, she is the insect pillar of the 12 pillars in the Demon Slayer anime. She is very great in doing a good fighting skills. I really appreciate her because she has been doing hard work in fighting. Even though she's wounded, she still has willing to fight. And she's really a very cute and beautiful character. That's why I decided to cosplay as Shinobu. As you can see here, this is the costume that I bought from Lazada. And this is the wig that I bought from Shopee. What I like about this costume is it's very smooth, tangible, and the clothes are really durable. Especially you can use this shawl in going to malls as a jacket for protection, especially when it's cold. And what I like also is that the leg warmers are finally gradient. I am really happy that they were able to give the right color of the gradient of Shinobu. In order to start this video, I want to give a huge appreciation to the Lazada and Shopee who ships my costume and wig, and I'll send you the link down below to know where I bought the costume so that you will know it also. Let's start this video before we start the fight for the demons in order to freshen up and be like Shinobu Kocho. Just to start, before the makeup, let's hydrate the face first. By using the Face Shop Dry Ceramide Moisturizer just to hydrate your face. Just put an equal amount of moisturizer to your fingers so that the moisturizer will be enough to apply on your face smoothly. Apply it also at the neck. The next thing to put is Etude House Double Lasting Foundation to make the skin light, since anime characters are known to have light skin just like Shinobu. Just make sure that you know how to measure by small fingers so that you know how the foundation looks like when you apply evenly to your skin. Use a blending sponge to blend evenly on the face. The next part is the favorite part, which is applying the wig to the head, since Shinobu has black hair with purple highlights, which is striking me the most. Before putting the wig cap, make sure that you tie your hair first so that it will be easier for you to put the wig cap. After that, stretch the wig cap so that your head won't be painful when you apply the wig cap on your head. Make sure that the hair will be locked in place with the wig cap before putting the wig so that it will be easy to hide hair to show the wig very well. Apply the wig already. Make sure that the wig style will fit your head, since wigs has one size only and they have adjustable hooks to measure the size of your head. There is two wig types, the lace type and the net type. Since the wig of Shinobu that I got is lace type, it is easy to wood since it has adjustable hooks just to know what size it fits for your head. Let's continue the makeup. Apply Caroline Pimple Concealer to hide dark circles and pimples on your face. Use blending sponge again to blend the face with the concealer very well. Next thing to do is to use Ceramide Martha Tilaar eyeshadow palette in the first eyeshadow color using the small brush to apply on the innermost crease of the eye, leaving the center of the eye untouched. Then put MAC Deep Twinkle Extra Dimension eyeshadow on the outermost corner of the eyes, still leaving the center untouched, using the same eyeshadow brush. Velvet eyeshadow using a bumping brush at the center corner of the eyelids. Apply it also at the lower eyelid corner of the eye to give a 3D effect using an eyeliner brush. The next thing to do is to use Momusol Dual and Liquid Eyeliner. It has two sides, which is the thick eyeliner and the other side is the thin eyeliner to create a good shape for the eyelid. Make sure that you put eyeliner very well because there are times that the eyeliner can smudge anywhere with a pen. So, to make sure, just put it very smoothly and gently. To make it sure, just take your time in putting. Especially, I had hard time putting eyeliner before. But now, it is easy for me since I am used to it already. Power Eyeshadow Collection. Insert eyeshadow palette on the inner eyelid corners onto the center to create an anime eye effect, since anime characters have big eyes. Brush your eyebrows and apply Huda Beauty eyebrow pencil to the eyebrows to have a good shape. It's either you use black eyebrow pencil or violet eyebrow pencil since Shinobu has violet eyebrow pencil, but I prefer using black because Black fits my natural hair color and I want to keep it stay still even though I cosplay to make it very unique. Use eyebrow brush to blend the eyebrow pencil together very well and smoothly. Curl up your lashes and apply Etude House Curl Fix Mascara on the eyelashes. Apply it also to the lower eyelashes to give it more depth and dimension. After that, use Ceramide Martha Tila Arc Compact Powder to apply it on the whole face to protect the foundation from the sweat, using a regular brush. After that, apply Essence Blush on the apple of the cheeks to give blush just like Shinobu's cheek. Then use Jordana Powder Eyeshadow Collection in the second palette using a highlighting brush to give glow before fighting the enemy to be ready. It will give also a lot of shimmer and sparkle to start a new day before the fight. Apply it on the apples of the cheeks, at the bridge of the nose, and at the cupid's bow. After that, apply Etude House Dear My Blooming Lipstick in light pink color, since Shinobu has light lipstick and pink fits best in that color to give the appearance very pretty, beautiful, and very charming. The last one but not the least is to apply Essence Lip Gloss on the lips also to give an extra shimmer and sparkle to the lips. Shinobu has done all the makeup and she just continues styling herself and putting a shawl to be prepared in order to be part of the 12 pillars, to join and fight together with them to defeat the enemies. Finally, Shinobu has done refreshing herself to give a good look to the other 12 pillars and to start fighting with the enemies to help and protect the demon slayers from harm. That's all for my makeup tutorial for Shinobu Kocho from Demon Slayer. Don't forget to enjoy this video and like this video and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow my Instagram in kawaii at cosplays and hana_magan. That's all for today and see you soon. Goodbye and have fun watching Demon Slayer or Kimetsu no Yaiba.